Hi, Jeff with Construction Fastening. I want to show you another one of the plugs that comes in the Lagmaster Plus Retro Kit, or comes with the Lagmaster Plus tool as well. This little driver here that you can plug in to your Lagmaster Plus will allow you to put in magnetic sockets or bit tips or what have you. So now you've got an extension pole with a Phillips tip, a socket, driver, what have you. All you need is a 1/4-inch drive socket that you'd use like in your impact or what have you, and that'll fit in there. And now it makes your iLag pole a little more versatile. Again, a couple key points to remember. If you have the Lagmaster Plus, you already have interchangeable heads. If you have a standard Lagmaster, you can buy either the retro kit that comes with this plug, or you can buy simply the base and you can put that on your standard Lagmaster iLag pole, and that'll accept that driver as well. So there you have it. It's kind of a neat little setup when you have the application. Maybe you have some screws or something you have to do overhead with a self-driller screw for something like a drywall track or something that you have to add on to. There you have it, available online at constructionfastening.net.